a review for it.
See, this is a person trying to talk to him. Look what he does. He did a headstand.
Yeah, he does commands. He does flips and he runs and
What is this?
He follows you. His eyes change color.
And this is when he screams.
Yeah, he goes. Woo, woo, ah, 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 ah.
Bite me.
Aww. He's acting like a real monkey.
Maybe that's how he screams. He goes.
Hello.
Oh, to the camera.
He's so cute. Shh.
Hello to the camera.
Ah! Why are you yelling, you little silly monkey? You want to show everyone your teeth? You want to show everyone your teeth? Yeah. Kyla, show him the teeth. Show everyone his teeth. Oh, he's gonna bite you. Do a trick. He's singing. Yay! How are you? What?
That's creepy, actually. That was creepy, actually. Bunny, quiet. He's farting. I guess he does monkey sounds. Hey! Oh, monkey drool. Okay, so first you see the eyes over here is 2 eyeballs. I don't know how, but he does. And you have to wait for his eyes to turn purple, and then you say the command word.
But before that, you have to press the top of his head. Oh, those are some teeth.
It's a beatbox.
Ask him how he is. Say, how are you?
How are you?
I guess he's
doing a flip. He's scared, I guess.
You know what I love about this thing?
What?
He does so many different things. I feel like the Zoomer kind of did the same thing over and over, where this guy seems to be doing a lot. Look at all the stuff he's doing. It's so cool.
Let's dance. Go ahead. You want to follow him? You think you can do that? Press his head again and say, let's dance.
Let's dance.
Go ahead.
I thought he couldn't sing. Let's make him sing something. Do a trick.
Go Kyla, go bananas. Go Kyla, go bananas. Go Kyla, go bananas. Oh yeah. and tell him to flip.
Flip.
Now. What? Dance, Kyla, dance with bananas. Woo!
We should name it.
We should. What do you want to name him?
How about banana?
Banana? That's a fabulous name for this monkey.
Curious George.
I wonder how we would make him.
Since he's a monkey, let's call him Curious George.
He does look like Curious George.
Okay, so far I have to say I like this thing so much better than the Zoomer kitty or the Zoomer puppy. This thing's cool. You like this one?
Yeah.
It's cool, right?
Stand up. He's not really listening. Stand up. Oh, there you go. Sometimes he doesn't follow the commands, but for most part, he really does, and he's definitely one of our favorite Zoomers, I have to say.
We hope you liked this video. Click, like, and share, and subscribe to our video. Bye!
That video was awesome! Click the boxes to see even more. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you had fun, and also click here to subscribe to our channel for new videos every day.